You can also have a drop down list with multiple selections. So let's copy this one. Let me put 2 break here, and instead of let me remove this one, and let's say multiple. So here you can choose multiple. So in order to choose the multiple, you have to you press shift key, and by pressing shift key you can click. So then you can choose multiple values. Another element, the form element, is text area. So text area, let me put 2 break here. Yeah, okay, so this is h3 text area. Oh, area. Yeah, text area. So by default it put 30 columns and 10 rows, like this is rows. If I increase rows to 100, it will increase the size of the text area. If I increase the size of columns, like not 300, like 50, it will increase the size, the width of the text area. By default message, by default you can put well, this is the name, sorry, the name of the text area, or ID you can use. And another element is button, as we have already seen, but with the button you have button type is a button. Okay, click me as the value, be or break. Yeah, okay, click me. And here you can also add event like on click, and then when you click on this button, a JavaScript code will run, which is alert hello world. So when I click here, an alert box will appear. See, hello world, whatever you type as a message or value, it will appear here. Like if I say hello world 1, next time when I click the hello world 1. So this is another element, the button element, you can see.